Alright, so I was about to leave and I've seen some big plumes of black smoke coming up from down at the point here, and I reckon it's possibly a campfire that's got away. And I haven't seen any new campers come in all night, so I'm wondering why I'm going so slow. Low range. Alright. So I'll put a 20 litre jerry full of water in the back, and I'm going to scare some magpies. We'll go see if it actually is an out of control campfire. If it's too big, I'm going to have to call in the official authorities. At least I've got the outboard off this time. Makes it a little bit easier to take the bumps. And we want speed, not off-roading ability today, so we're going to just dodge around most of this, except that bit. Alright. We'll get into the high-speed stuff in a minute. Now, I put a full 20 litres of water on our campfire, or at least the neighbouring campfire, last night. We don't normally have a campfire, and I'm going to be going right past it, so probably good to take a second check on ours as well. Somebody's left some chairs kicking around there. Now, I won't do what the wife does and get it airborne off here. Well, that campfire's alright. I can smell it's still a bit warm. We might throw some water on that one on the way back. Cruising speed, about 32 k's an hour it reckons. Well, I'm not seeing smoke anymore. Maybe they heard me coming. There's our smoke right there. Right, fucking idiots. Fucking idiots. Okay guys, this is not what you do. I just walked off Left their freaking campfire burning. Fucking idiots. Alright, gotta put this one out. There's a drone around here somewhere. So I'm getting watched by a drone as well. Looks like a Mavic Pro drone as well. Right. Stuff like that really bothers me. Get a wonderful camp place like this, and that's how people get it shut off, by doing stupid stuff like that. Ah, there's our drone dropping down. Come on. I think I just met the drone pilots. I might go have a chat to them. That looks like them.